Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for this opportunity. I went to present my research about supply chain network design model for technology feasibility of renewable waste treatment, a case study. Okay. Table of content is research. The first introduction, second material and method, third result and discussion, fourth conclusion. The total waste in Indonesia at 2021 is 41.6 million ton per year. And then the distance between the Jakanan sub-district and the landfill and or TPA is around 23 kilometers. And long transportation affect the big fuel and high carbon emission. And then high cost and require a larger area to build a landfill. The Kapal Selam of pure reactor (PKS) waste is processed at the location closest to the source of the waste, so that least vehicle fuel is released and fewer carbon emission are released. To further optimize the development of PKS facilities, need the SCND. SCND BKS in Jakanan consists of three entities, namely the first suppliers, household and market waste, and two manufacturer. This is Kapal Selam of bioreactor and distribution center for solid and liquid organic fertilizer. This research is expected to produce a SCND development model for the construction of the Kapal Selam of bioreactor facility, namely by determining the first number of bioreactor per second location of PKS, and the third the amount of garbage sent by supplier to PKS. Then material and method. The material, the facilities and infrastructure needed in this research are as follows. First, internet access subscription to Scopus Index Journal, and second, literature book, and third, computer for model computing process, and fourth, IBM Alloc software for simulation model development. This is the research method flowchart. From the start, and then study object literature review, and then formulation of the problem, and then determination of research objective and benefits, and then data collection from technical requirement analysis, and then supply chain network design, and then techno-economic analysis. It's not the feasible. This is design again, supply chain network design again. After the feasible, is continue establishing a supply chain network and done. This is the research object relevant system. This is namely the three entities. The first, the supplier from domestic waste and market trace, and second, manufacturing. This is the CV Teloko Mufang Kapal Selam bioreactor. The third, distribution center from solid organic fertilizer and liquid organic fertilizer. The SCND, the methods, first, mixed interlinear programming (MELP) used to formulate the capacity location allocation applied to solve the problem. The second, load distance methods, how to choose the optimal location taking into account the distance. The smallest load value will be chosen as the location for the BKS facility, which on 2013. Mathematic formulation. The objective function of this paper is to maximize the profit of opening a BKS facility and use ILOG CPLEC. Use to solve mathematical formulation. Sutopo et al. 2016. This is the influence diagram. The goal research is profit maximization. The profit maximization influence from total income and total cost. Total income influence from supplier total revenue and PKS total revenue. And total cost from total cost of supplier, society, PKS, and total cost of PKS. This is objective function, profit maximization. This is from total revenue supplier plus and total revenue from. This is the result and discussion. Data collection, data type, PKS capacity. PKS capacity result of 15,000 kilogram per day. And Chakonan district population in the 2022, the 15,341 people. Number of market in Jakanan district, the 3 markets. And price of solid organic fertilizer 800 IDR per kilogram. Liquid organic fertilizer price 13,000 IDR per kilogram. The gas price and 7,000 IDR per kilogram. This is the example calculate to calculate the waste potential. From this calculation, the total potential of household waste is 18,123 kg per day, plus the total potential of waste from the market is 195 kg per day. So the total amount of potential waste in the district Jakanan is 18,317 kg per day. And then the determination of the location of PKS facility. This is use the load distance methods. After calculate the smallest LD value or load distance methods value, the first one location with 2 facility. The location of the selected PKS is Sembaturagung village. The second, 2 location with 1 facility X selected the Puluhan Tengah and Tologorejo. After the random model on ILOG CPLEC, the output model Sembaturagung PKS facilities result 0. The decision not opened. Then Puluhan Tengah BKS facility, the result 1, decision opened. Facilities of BKS Logorejo, the result 0, decision not opened. This is the CPLEC processing result. The maximizing profit 4.4 billion IDR. This is the garbage sale, fertilizer sales, gas sale, waste raw material cost, BKS investment fee, BKS fixed fee, and transportation cost. On supplier to the Puluhan Tengah BKS in Puluhan Tengah. Then the number of product in each BKS kilogram per year. This is solid fertilizer to Puluhan Tengah 3.9 million. Then liquid fertilizer and gas. The conclusion The first, his research has succeeded in developing a supply chain network model for stakeholders, namely the community and BKS companies. And then this research has also succeeded in assessing the value of the sustainability of the BKS supply chain network. A. The economy produced maximum profit of the 4.4 billion idea. B. Social can employ a minimum of 4 people to run the process and help reduce the health and social impacts that arise when using landfill. C. Environment reduce gas emission by around 1,10,568 kilograms per year from BKS activity. And then investment analysis that show the investment feasibility of establishing a BKS facility. After calculate from BAP, NPV, ERR, ROE, and PBP, uh, this project, this investment is feasible to run. The last suggestion. The first, future research is expected to be able to integrate sustainability aspect in BKS supply chain management. The second, it is expected to be able to develop a model for the distribution center entity of BKS products optimally. The third, it hopes that the gas product distribution will be considered in more detail. Okay, thank you.